Hey Jaylin, what are you doing here?
I'm exploring our new website.
What is it?
Don't you know about that? Milesight has officially launched its upgraded mobile-friendly website. Come here, let me show you. It's amazing. A good user-friendly experience of website navigation really matters. So to rebuild the website structure is a top priority. The newly added content innovation details technologies such as 5G, IoT, Milesight D2D, and LoRaWAN, reflecting Milesight's innovation-oriented approach. From the Video Center, you can discover Milesight IoT solutions and products in the most visual way. Through the Download Center, you can quickly find the latest documents of products. And here comes the style. Tabs and buttons are used in-page to locate and orientate, providing a better understanding of Milesight's products and services. The solutions give you a fully immersive experience of how Milesight solutions can help in different industries. The upgraded website provides a more complete and flexible user journey with richer content and more options to continue your exploration. A well-designed page matters. Milesight conveys its brand image through the creative design layout and optimized user experience at the same time. Short clips of videos are adapted to display products in a more direct and attractive way. Responsive website design enables pages to adapt to different screen sizes automatically. Milesight's website upgrade fully demonstrates its dedication to optimizing services. You can visit our website, and there's a lot waiting for you to explore. Check the link below.